You will do two examples together. The first one on the left is a slightly easier one, but both have the same step. So the first step is just a substitute. So we're substituting in to that function. So it tells us that the input is 8. The function is x plus 9, which means we're adding 9 to every input, which is going to be 8 plus 9. So remember, where there's x, that's what I'm substituting in place of. So x is 8, so I'll put a box around those to highlight what I've substituted. And then we're using BidMaths. This is obviously a simple one for the first one, but we're using BidMaths to simplify. Okay. For the second though, it's just as easy. Obviously requires us to be more careful with our BidMaths or BODMaths or whatever you do call the order of operations. And in the second, the input is 5, and our function is then telling us we're doubling the input and then subtracting 3 from it. So we're doing 2 times by the input, which is 5, then we're subtracting 3 from it. Again, the input is where the x is, so we're placing the x with 5. That's our substitution step. Then we do 10 take away 3, which is going to be 7, and that is our answer.